Diabetes and acacia fiber, how to harness its powerful benefits. Diabetes, a rising concern in the world with over 420 million people throughout the globe suffering from it, is one of the leading causes of death and disability worldwide. With obesity and physical inactivity being leading contributors to this disorder, finding ways to naturally lower blood sugar levels is always a welcome discovery. It's important to note that if diabetes isn't managed properly, it can lead to several complications like heart diseases, stroke, kidney problems, and even nerve damage. Adding to the list of possible supplements that can help manage this disorder is acacia fiber. This is a soluble fiber from the Acacia senegal tree native to Africa and parts of Asia. Studies have found that acacia fiber can help people suffering from diabetes as it can lower blood glucose levels, along with blood cholesterol and triglycerides. Moreover, acacia fiber has also been known to decrease appetite, improve digestive health, and relieve constipation. So, how can we best utilize the many benefits of acacia fiber to manage diabetes? Let's find out. 1. Improves glycemic control. Taking acacia fiber for diabetes helps improve glycemic control, which is basically the body's ability to maintain the normal balance of glucose levels in the bloodstream. Studies have noted that the regular consumptions of acacia fiber along with a balanced diet can improve glycemic control, which could result in a sharper reduction in long-term A1C levels. This is a good indicator of diabetes management. In addition, adding acacia fiber to your diet helps in controlling sugar cravings. 2. Reduces blood sugar. Research has shown that increasing acacia fiber intake may help reduce blood sugar levels. It works in a very simple way. The fiber helps slow down digestion and the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Controlling how your body absorbs glucose can help reduce spikes in blood sugar levels, which can result in better diabetes management. It can also help manage insulin resistance and further reduce blood sugar levels. 3. Improves bowel movements. Adding acacia fiber to your daily diet can also improve bowel movements in people with diabetes. Constipation is often a concern for those with diabetes due to several causes like medications, reduced physical activity, and dehydration. Taking dietary fiber, such as acacia fiber, helps in pushing out the wastes from the body, which makes constipation less of a problem. 4. Reduces cholesterol. Studies have found that acacia fiber can also help reduce cholesterol levels in the body. Since diabetes is often associated with high cholesterol, and cholesterol can cause plaque buildup in the arteries, eating acacia fiber can help reduce the cholesterol levels, as well as decrease the risks of heart diseases like stroke and heart attack. Tips for harnessing the benefits of acacia fiber. 1. Start slow. Avoid taking large amounts of acacia fiber at once. It is recommended to start slow and increase consumption gradually, as large intakes at once can cause digestive distress. Acacia fiber can cause bloating, gas, and cramps in some people due to its ability to draw water into the intestines, so it's best to increase consumption gradually. 2. Mix it in food. To make sure you are consuming acacia fiber on a regular basis, add it to your food. Blend it into smoothies and cold cereal, mix it into your pancakes, or add it to your salads. You can also mix it into soups and stews. 3. Monitor your diet. When taking acacia fiber to manage diabetes, it is important to monitor your diet carefully. Make sure you are consuming healthy food and maintaining a balanced diet. Eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, and sticking to a healthy lifestyle all contribute to improved diabetes management. In conclusion, taking acacia fiber for diabetes is a great option for those looking for natural ways to manage their diabetes. The fiber can help improve glycemic control, reduce cholesterol levels, and slow down the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Additionally, adding acacia fiber to your diet can also help improve bowel movement and reduce appetite. However, it is important to remember to start slow with acacia fiber consumption and mix it into food, while keeping a close eye on dietary habits. By integrating acacia fiber into your everyday diet and leading a healthy lifestyle, you can successfully, and naturally, work towards better diabetes management. Copyright Sangari Commodities Corporation.